Okay, dear subscribers, boss, are you gonna help me today? No, he's done. He's busy eating his chicken. Today we're gonna, I already did. I installed the lift kit, expert lift kit, 2-inch lift kit. If anybody needs, I can give the phone number. And so the front is done. I'll send you Eric this video for Eric. I checked the brakes, brand new brakes. I got another video, I'll send it separately probably. So it looks a lot different, yeah. Raised up. The rear kit, with the rear it could be lifted more, because I drill another hole because this was too high. They sent me, or it comes like that, so basically it's a 3-inch if you do it like factory, what they sent me. And I did another hole and I bring it down to 2.5-inch. And if Eric wants lifted higher, here's another spot you can put it higher. But if you're gonna do that, then you need to buy different shocks, because it's gonna be too high for that shocks. So I'll just say just keep it like that, and looks great, looks good. But I found another thing on this truck. Unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, I was playing with the lights on the dashboard today, and I figured out some of the lights not working on the dashboard. So I took the dashboard out, the cluster, and I'm gonna put it back right now and show you. So some of the lights work, some of them not. I replaced all the bulbs. It didn't help, so I ordered another cluster, and I found one in Japan. Here's all the bulbs I replaced, and it's gonna be probably another week or two before that cluster arrives, but I'm gonna put it on and show what's wrong with it. So I put the cluster back, just a temporary, because I gotta take it off anyway, back again. So when I put the keys and turn ignition, it's supposed to be a red light right there. Also, when I put the parking brake, it doesn't show. Now the lights works, the high beam works, left turn signal works. Right turn signal works outside, but not on the cluster, not on the dashboard. So it's something wrong with the cluster. Yeah, it all works. Everything works, but cluster needs to be replaced probably. Some people fix them. It's you gotta be good electrician to weld stuff like that. So let's see what else. Okay, left works, high beam works, 4-wheel drive. Let's see, 4-wheel drive. 4-wheel drive, you need to kind of put it on gear and then slightly release, yep, and then it turns on. And then when you put 4-wheel drive, you can switch to high or low gear, and then you turn it off. So basically the ignition light doesn't work, right turn signal on the cluster doesn't work, it works outside. Parking brake doesn't show, and what Well, it should be. I'm not sure about low fuel and all that stuff because it's full tank right now. So I decided I ordered one already. So it says miles here, an original one, 59,000 kilometers, 417 kilometers. And I ordered one with 56,000 kilometers, almost the same. So AC works. Radio is a Japanese radio. It's gotta be probably replaced. It works, but gotta be replaced. So let me pull this cluster out. So I seen people fixing them because this little, whatever you call it, schematics, they're fixable, but yeah, I'll just put another one. And that's it. Other than that, there's a new lift kit all installed, adjusted. There's another side, 2-inch. Looks good. I haven't driven it yet. Oh, the lights on. I haven't driven it yet, but I will. And then here is the original from the rear. And I guess I'm gonna call Eric and explain him about the cluster. Yeah, it's higher, a lot higher now. Okie doke, this is gonna be it for today. Bless you, boss.